When you first open the PDF file, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you'll find a clickable link that gives you access to the Google Sheets template. Click on Make a Copy, and the file will be saved to your Google Drive. If it doesn't save automatically, go to the top menu bar and click on File, Make a Copy manually. The first tab is called Instructions, where you'll find a step-by-step guide on how to use the template. I've already shown the details in this video. If you don't need the Instructions tab, you can right-click on it and select Hide. To bring it back, click on the small menu icon below, and you'll see the hidden sheet listed there. Click it to unhide.
Now, go to the Password Tracker tab. Here you can store all your website login details, including passwords and other important information.
Now go to the Password Tracker tab. Here you can store all your website login details, including passwords and other important information. Start by entering the website name. For example, if you want to save Facebook passwords and you have multiple accounts, you can name them as Facebook 1, Facebook 2, etc. to keep things organized and easy to find. You may also enter the website link, though it's optional. Next, you'll see a category drop-down with several preset options. If you need more, click the pencil icon to add your own. Then enter email, phone number, username, password recovery, email and number, security questions and answers, notes, if any. Now go to the Password Finder tab. Click on the drop-down to select a saved website name. These names are pulled from the website name column of the tracker. You can also search by typing in the name directly. If you change the name here, the related data will also change. Another great feature is the password generator below. If you ever need to create a strong password, this sheet can generate one for you. A strong password is automatically generated by default. If you want to change it, select Try Another One from the drop-down. Then click Generate again to refresh the password. Each time you switch between these two buttons, you'll get a new password. If a formula cell is accidentally deleted, make sure to press Cancel immediately to avoid losing the setup. And finally, the header in the Password Tracker tab has a filter option, which lets you filter and view your data easily. That's all for today. If you have any confusion, feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp. Thank you.